In this video, we're reviewing Blablacar, a ride-sharing platform for affordable long-distance travel. Check the description for links to try it out. Blablacar's perfect for budget-minded travelers open to sharing rides and saving on transportation. It connects drivers with empty seats to passengers heading the same way. Whether it's a weekend trip, business travel, or just a cheaper way to get around, Blablacar offers an easy, eco-friendly option. Blablacar is simple to use. The app and website let you easily search rides based on your departure and arrival points, dates, and times. Book directly through the platform, it's hassle-free and secure. No cash transactions needed. Blablacar benefits both drivers and passengers. Drivers can offer extra seats and earn money to offset their travel costs. Passengers enjoy lower fares than trains or buses. The platform is highly rated for reliability, with reviews and ratings helping you assess drivers and passengers beforehand. Blablacar also promotes social interaction, letting you see profiles before booking, building trust within the community. Available in numerous countries, it's ideal for international travel. Looking for affordable, eco-friendly transport? Blablacar's a great platform to save money, connect with others, and share rides safely and easily. Check the description for links to get started. Thanks for watching.